How to find offers on Domino's app. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. Domino's has been continuously offering discounts and offering their value packs so you can save money. But how you can use them? So in this video we will be guiding you through the process. So first thing first, open a Domino's app and then you will see this page. So here on bottom of your screen you will see this option start a order. So tap on either delivery or pickup. So here let me tap on pickup and then select the store from where you want to order. You will simply see nearby stores suggested by the app. If you want to search somewhere else, then simply tap on the search box and then search for it. So here let me tap on this random store. And once you select the store, you will see this order time. So simply select whether you want to order for now or later. So here let me tap on now. And then you will see this page. So here on top of your screen, you will find this option special offers. So tap on it. And here it will show you bunch of combo deals. So simply scroll down to find more and select whatever you want. If you don't want anything from here, then simply go back. And here on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this offer option. So tap on it. And here you will see bunch of more offers currently offered in this store. So simply scroll down to find more. If you find any offer that you like, simply tap on add. And then your offer will be successfully applied. If you have more discount voucher or something, you can simply enter on top of your screen. If you don't have, then select your items and then on bottom of your screen you will find this option of finish order. So tap on it and then simply fill in all your details and then tap on continue to place the order. So this is how you can find and apply offers on Domino's. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.